Good morning. So what I'm going to do today is I'm working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas. I'm gonna layer my cup. We're gonna do a galaxy style pour and go from there. I'm testing some colors out for, and I never test anything, I just usually go for it. But I want to do a 24 by 24 in this color sequence, but with 2 cups, double cup galaxy pour. But I want to see how they work together as a single cup pour, just in case. And we're gonna start off layering the cup with the white, which is not gonna work because I had some water in there. Oh, all right, scratch that. I'm gonna start with a new cup, which is right here. And I have 6, 10, 11 colors plus the white. So we're just gonna go for it. This is Golden Sunrise by Arteza. So torn. This is a color shift paint, and I think it's fuchsia. Oh, here it is. Purple Flash. Yep. Okay. Not sure how those 2 colors next to each other are gonna do. Pink and yellow make brown. So we're just gonna pray for the best. That was Metallic Sapphire by Art Minds. This is 24K gold. I'm gonna put some Prussian blue in there by Liquitex. This is Payne's Gray by Golden. Pearl Turquoise by Arteza. Really love that color. Do the rest of that white, and I mixed up some more. Just making messes 1 cup at a time today. And I have some leftover, nope, we're not gonna do that one. Let's do leftover candy apple. Now, some of you who've been watching my pours, these are colors that I use often, so I'm just trying to use up more paint. I have so much paint. And we're gonna do the Prussian blue. All right, that is my layered cup. That is uneven ground. So we're gonna put right here. these colors out of there. And we are going to hold our breath. Okay, gotta breathe. All right. Okay, that one was tough. For some reason it felt like there were more paint in that cup than normal, but it's an 18-ounce cup, so that was impossible. I'm absolutely loving this area right here. And there's a lot going on, so we're gonna wow. All right, maybe I'll zoom you guys in so that you can see this. Oh, look at this area. So pretty. I don't think I'll be able to preserve that, but let's bring you back, and there we go. All right, let's see how we do. I'm gonna line you back up. Sorry, you're shaking. All right, you guys don't want to see this part. I'm gonna put you on pause for a second. We'll come back once the white's been spread. Okay, we're back. All right, so I spread it out. I have extra stuff in my cup I'm gonna leave in there for purposes of filling in corners if need be. Just torching air bubbles because I did just mix these paints, so there are air bubbles in there and I don't want them to all come through. All right. Now I think what I'm gonna do, let's go this way. I I'm gonna come back, because this is tough because this area right here is just gorgeous. And then there's all this in here, which is really great. We'll see how much I can save. So I'm just gonna stretch that one right off the side right now because I know that I'm okay with okay. Did not come out as I wanted, but there is some still in there. We'll see. We're gonna stretch over to here. I'm just gonna go right off that back corner. I actually like how this one is so wonky like. This one is so pretty. All right, taking the gloves off carefully. This is really cool. All right, I do one thing right there. I'll bring you guys in. This is so pretty. You'll see, you'll see. I'll bring you in. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys. So this is the final piece. It is so pretty. I'm loving this golden hour. How fitting for a paint to be named that. Golden Hour by Arteza is a pearl metallic. And yeah, I love what it does. What else? All these multicolored cells. It's like an alien-like planet with the sun setting or the sun rising. I'm not sure, but it's so pretty. I'm gonna come over here on the other side. I know I'm moving fast. Always afraid I'm gonna drop my phone. I'm loving all of this. This area right here sort of looks like it's blurry, but it's actually not. It's very defined. It's just the metallics in the paint, the gold specifically. But that's basically what it looks like. And they look like boulders that are, you know, have cast shadows on them or something. A rock wall, cave, who knows. But thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. You can share this if you'd like. And if you like what you see, check out a couple other videos. Give me a chance, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of my pours. But other than that, I just want to say thank you all. Thank you so much. You can contact me via the links in the video description at the bottom. I have my social media links in there. And I have a PayPal me link as well. So if you're interested in making a donation towards the arts and me bringing beautiful pieces of work to you, then that's what you would do. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.